Ready? Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Oops, side, 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 side. Up and down and up.
Oh. Go ahead. Tourette's moment.
Up and down and up and down. Side, 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 side. He's so cute. He waves with us. That's funny. How much is he? He is $50. Wait. Where's the other one?
There's only one.
Is there one in that?
No.
Okay, so it says it's just him. He's so cute. I like him. Oh. So what's that one?
This is save up to August.
What?
Save up to
No.
This is just showing you.
Too much money. Oh, never mind. Oh, well, that's all I know. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. You're a sweetie. Look how beautiful. Oh, he follows. He follows. He follows. He follows. He's so cute. Okay. Then over here.
It has blue in it.
Wait, green. Okay, blue parakeet.
23. They're both 23.
$23.99 for the babies. Wait, but with membership. Okay, sorry. That's the one I like.
Do you see poop? No, I don't see poop.
There's no poop anywhere, girl.
That's why you put it down there.
No, they're so cute. That one's the quietest. That one.
Yeah. Up there, they're quiet.
Yeah, they're quiet. Okay, cages. Come on. Okay, so cages that we can get. There's that much for one that's big, but you don't have to get them that big. You can get them like this.
You probably have to go with this.
This one.
If you get one. Well, she got this one. It comes with this one.
And there's these. And we get a safari. Okay, let's go look at our buddy again. He's so cute. But he's too much money, but still. Come here. Come here, come here. Oh, he wants to play, Trevor. He wants to play. He wants to play. Up and down. Come on. He does it. It's so cute. Look. Boom. Side, 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 and up and around, up and up. Up and, oh, okay, okay.
Oh, he's dancing. Yeah. Oh.
Up and down and up and down.
Get it. Get it.
Oh, y'all are cute. They're also $23 for these. They're fancy parakeets.
They're fancy. They're quiet ones. Look at that one looks like Angel. The very back one has angel wings.
I like you do. Up and down and up and down, side to side, side to side, and up and down and up and down, side to side, side to side. You're so cute. Yes.
If you
Got it.
You can get both one each.
Of these?
You can get. If you got both one, you can get this one. Because they're together, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh, and they're cute too. I kind of like them now. They're real cute. He's still giving them kisses. He's so cute. Oh, up and down and up and down and down and around and down and around. You're so cute. Get it? Up. Oh, you loved me. Come on. Down. Up here. Down here. You're so cute. Trevor, really? He's so cute. Come on here. Come up here. Hi, sweetums. You are so silly. Come on. Oh, you're so cute. You're trying to make him do the head thing again. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, down. And then he does a little freak out thing. He's like, blah, blah, blah.
Tourette's.
Oh, make him do it. Dun, 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 dun.
Hello.
I can name her Ellie
Hello.
if it's a girl. Ellie. You're being so zen.